Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into e to the power of 2x and e to the power of 2x. Next, we can do about factorization by e to the power of 2x. Next, this one divide by this one, so we have e to the power of 2x in here. Next, the integration of this one, we have e to the power of 2x over 2. And now we just concentrate about this one only. So for this one, we can put like this. So I will concentrate about this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to e to the power of 2x plus 1. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2e to the power of 2x dx. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u, e to the power of 2x dx, we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now let's go to the second one. So we need to put e to the power of x on numerator and denominator. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of x dx. This one we change by u square, and this one we change by u. E to the power of x dx we change by du. Next, I will put u on numerator and denominator in here. So we multiply by u in here and here. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put t equals to u square in here. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u du. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by t, this one we change by t, u du we change by this one. So we need to add t in here. Later that we need to minus about t. So t plus 1 divided by t plus 1, we have number 1. T divided by t, we have t plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over t, we have ln of the absolute value of t. The integration of 1 over t plus 1, we have ln of the absolute value of t plus 1. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. About u, that is about this one. Now we need to return back to this one. So the integration of this one, that is about the combination between this one and this one. So we have the negative sign in here. So in here we need to put negative sign in here. Now we need to simplify. So this one plus this one, so we have number 1 in here. Next, we have the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we can apply the formula in here. And we have 2s ln e. ln e we have number 1. So 2 divided by 2, we have s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.